iPad training devices are tools designed to provide realistic and comprehensive training in using the iPad defibrillator. This trainer replicates the functionality of the iPAD SPR, and the SP1 trainer works in a similar way. There is not a trainer for the iPad NFK, so you'll need to use the SP1 or the iPAD SPR trainer. Training AED units replicate the way that live units work, enabling users to familiarise themselves with its features and operation in safe educational environments. The trainer includes a switch to simulate the reduction of energy delivery for paediatric patients, allowing trainees to practice transitioning between adults and children modes seamlessly. It offers audible instructions that guide users through each step of the defibrillation process, enhancing understanding and confidence. Visual indicators light up to demonstrate correct electrode pad positioning, ensuring proper techniques during training sessions. The device provides visual cues and feedback for CPR, assisting trainees in maintaining appropriate compression rates and depths. An integrated metronome offers a rhythmic guide to help users keep consistent timing during compressions. The training device comes pre-programmed with 8 training scenarios, allowing instructors to simulate a variety of emergencies. Additionally, it includes a remote control, enabling trainers to manage scenarios and provide real-time guidance effectively. Incorporating this training device into educational programs ensures responders are well prepared to operate iPad defibrillators confidently and competently in real-life emergencies.